Yo guys, what is up? It is, what's our channel called again? Game Master 77. And you can see us now. You can see us. We're huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a proper face cam. Anyway.
Well, yeah.
So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be on the fidget spinner game again.
But this time with attack. So before we do it, we're going to put these Haribo like little mints in, stuff like that. If you can
Yeah,
see.
I think they can see.
Yeah. And then
we're gonna. It's the sour challenge, right? Whoever loses, whoever gets the less spin out of
these are French. These are really sour. They are so sour.
They blow your head off. They literally blow your head off. So we have to have half of them.
You know, it's gonna be a bit of fun. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's do this. So what do you want to go first, Jude? You can pick your fidget spinner and you can get it going.
So I'm gonna pick it.
What are you gonna go for?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this one on for now.
Do the Dan TDM.
So this is the Dan TDM. Dan TDM is always a part of our videos. So
Dan TDM is awesome, guys.
Yeah, he's brilliant.
Subscribe to Dan TDM. Actually, subscribe. He's got enough subscribers.
Yeah.
Subscribe
to us.
Yeah, don't subscribe.
Well, yeah, subscribe to him as well.
Yeah,
because we do love him, but you know, we need more subscribers. So go on, let's get into this. 17, 18, 19.
Just move you down there.
Put you down there. Just because then we can actually see you better. I mean, we can actually.
Oh, you're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Put that mint in your mouth right now.
Put it in your mouth, girl. Ah! You're trying to make me lose. Let's put it in your mouth as well, Oscar.
Okay.
Actually, no, not yet, because it isn't your go yet.
Oh yeah, okay. I'll just
leave it here.
Spin and spin. Have you spun the last? Go. Spin. Okay.
No!
Oh no!
No! Okay.
Yeah, that is pretty good actually. If I have to be honest, that's good. Yep.
I'm gonna win.
Yeah, you've won. I can already tell. Right, come on.
1, 6, 4.
Oh.
By the way, you got to chew it when you're at the end of your thing.
Okay. That is pretty good. It'll be hard to beat that. We've got quite a few K. Hang on. I'll move you over here so I can get this here.
So 163.
I'm gonna go in this. I'm just gonna go in this thing, right? Ready? I'll just move you over here. Need to put this in my mouth. Alright, ready?
That was brilliant.
Oh no.
165. I mean 167.
Oh my word. I'm so lost.
And by the way, you've got to eat the whole thing.
It's like one of them ones where you do something unlucky when you actually want to do well. Oh, that is rubbish.
Actually, have one spin left. How's I'm just gonna get the lovely little bar.
Come on.
167.
Actually, come on. No. I straight up lost. What did you get?
167.
Oh. Quite close, but
yeah.
You've won.
Not yet.
Oh, I might get a million now. Yay!
5.
Oh, great! Let's do this thing.
You are eating. So now what I'm just gonna do? I'm just gonna video him eating there.
Do you want to eat the whole thing?
No, you got to eat the whole thing.
I'm gonna die. Okay.
You want to put it in with your mint? Go, George.
Oh, no!
3, come on. 3, 2, 1, go. Go on, just chew. chew. chew, 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 So you guys give me. So yeah. Well, that was Oscar. I'm actually not that bad with them. He, on the other hand, is very bad with sour stuff. So yeah, he's dying over here, and I think he's gonna be the one that's spitting blood out.
It's horrible. Oh, that's horrible. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
So yeah, anyway, we're just gonna
We're gonna end the video there.
We're gonna end this video now. So we just want to say thank you. Please like and subscribe this video.
And
smash the like button. Don't tap it. Don't tap it.
don't you dare tap it. You smash it. You
Yeah.
absolutely smash it until
So we are
your
giving you-
iPad or iPhone or your console is broken. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
So
go
what
crazy.
we're going to do is we are giving away a drone. Yeah, we're giving away a drone.
Yeah.
Here.
A quick reminder:
So
we're giving away.
a drone, and how you to enter this contest is you want to like this video, okay,
Yeah. And subscribe.
comment, subscribe and comment, and the first subscriber we get, put in your post, and we are gonna send you this drone.
This lovely looking drone.
Lovely drone. I've got the box right here. So we've just opened it to show you. We've got all the box and parts for it. So yeah,
This drone could be
drone
yours.
Could be yours.
You could fly it, and
I know it's really good.
we've given it a little test drive. It is
Give
amazing.
it a try. It's brilliant.
Maybe small, but it's good.
Yeah. Oh, and it can do front flips on it, by the way.
Yep.
Front flips, back flips, side
name
flips, side flips, whatever you can do, it can do it.
Okay.
So.
Whoopie-daisies. Alright,
yeah,
so thank you
like,
guys for watching.
Subscribe, and we will see you in the next
Later.
video.
Bye.